this is the app. It's called Xylo or something.
Mm-hmm.
I want to workshop. Attach the xylophone.
Okay.
Yeah,
Show how you do that.
Yeah, that round thing. And just stick it both sides. Push it. Hear the click.
All
And
right.
both of them are in. You can't see the line. Connect this thing to the left side of his head. His left, my
On the
right.
left side?
Yeah. So it's his left, my right. I didn't turn them on.
You need to turn it on first.
I think he's gonna start moving a little bit.
There you go. He just woke up.
Okay.
Let's put it right there.
What is he doing now?
I think he's updating.
So that's...
Can you see me? So if his mallet keeps hitting the edge and not the note, which what's happened to us, you just have to calibrate it. So you press this button, and you put setup and calibration, and just listen to the steps. We already did that.
Follow the step.
Right.
So you put first note,
Okay.
Okay.
Next.
and
And a
then
blue note. Wait, this is the blue one, right?
no, the green one. So you put it here. That's the one. Okay, that's right.
Next. And the pinky
And
one.
lastly, the
And then next.
purple, or
And then
you call it pink.
it's complete.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do. I'm gonna do. We've made this one already. Toby's first song.
You made that one.
Huh? Oh, and then you can put more lines like this.
You can add more.
Yeah.
You can make the longer songs.
Song. You can do Twinkle Twinkle, Row Row Your Boat, Farajaka,
On the
This Old
bridge,
Man.
this old man.
No, let's try this on man.
Okay,
You
try
just
that.
press that, press play.
Oh, you too fast. Jingle bells?
Ooh, jingle bells.
Christmas. So,
Bigger on the side.
down.
Do we need to calibrate it again? No.
Yes.
I don't think so.
Oh, 3 blind mice. And you press the big giant
Press the
arrow.
Big arrow.
And then you
there.
press. Yay! Oh, I think while it's playing, you can move it. Forward, backwards, turn left, turn right.